I'm joining in with Life with Patti, and this one is going to be called hashtag Pattis Treasure Hunt. And what we were supposed to color was a tiger. Well, I found a tiger to color. I was so excited I couldn't wait to join in. I'm not quite sure when this is supposed to go up, so hopefully I understood the rules. This is the first time I've joined in with Patti, Life with Patti, Pattis Treasure Hunt. So I found a page of a tiger and I colored it, and I'm going to share it with you right now.
Here's all the information about who did the illustration and who wrote and edited this book. Hope you enjoy what we're going to share today. It was copyrighted back in 2015, but it's a wonderful book and I know you're going to enjoy it. Well, we're going to start first with our tiger's face and do all the hair around the face. Then we will color in the actual face. I'll give you updates every so often and let you see where we're heading on it. I'm not done with the face, but this is probably all I'm going to get done today, and this is day 1. Here's our second day, and I got the face pretty well finished. We got the hair around the face pretty well finished, and we're working our way down the cloak or the hair of my tiger. Still have a lot more to finish. It may go 3 days. We'll have to wait and see what we can get accomplished today. But we've done quite a little bit. I'll give you another update in a few minutes and see what else I get accomplished today. This is our second day coloring our tiger. Well, this is the end of my second day of my tiger. We still haven't quite finished this page, but we'll have to finish it tomorrow. What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty nice. Leave me a comment. Like I said, this is the end of our second day, and we'll see what I get done and accomplished tomorrow. This is the beginning of our third day on this project. This is a 2-page spread. As you can see, I still have a few more things to finish on this one, some leaves. I'm still working on the body over here. I worked a little bit on the tail and a little bit on the body, and this is just the beginning of my third day. We'll see how much we can get accomplished by the end of the week. Hopefully I will have it finished by Friday. We'll see if I can make it. I'll do all the leaves at the end. Right now I'm still working on my body. I thought I did pretty good. It takes me a long time to get this stuff done. Let me know what you thought. This is day 3. As you can see, we still have a lot more to do, but we did get some things accomplished. We got this little section, this section, this section, and this section colored today so far, and this section right here almost finished also. I still have to do the background on this section, this section, this section, and this section, but we have made some progress. Well, I'll show another update in maybe another hour, and this is still the third day. This is the third day, and I have got the tiger's face and body all finished. The only thing I still have left to do is the leaves at the top of the page. I thought it turned out pretty good. What do you think? I loved how the stars turned out and the way the pattern and colors all turned out. Let me know what you liked about it or didn't like. What could I have done better, or do you think it looks perfect just the way it is? I personally like it just the way it is.
I thought I did really good on the colors and picking what colors I wanted to color it with. And I thought this book had some wonderful graphics in it, and the paper was such good quality, everything looked great.
Well, here it is, all finished. It took 3 days of coloring to get it finished, but I got it done. I thought it turned out so pretty. I hope you all agree. It was a 2-page spread, and I really, really loved how it turned out. I love the colors I picked. I hope you do too. And all the magical patterns in this. Let me know what you thought of this project I did.